Hi, Ben Davis here from One Struck, specialising in luxury sloping lot homes and raise and build under renovations. Our renovation display home is open to the public next Saturday. So if you're in the early stages of the design process, you have plans, or you're just wanting to come down and see the quality craftsmanship, please come on down. What you will need to do is you will need to RSVP via the website. See the link below. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the One Struck office. We look forward to speaking to you soon and seeing you next weekend. Thank you and bye for now.